In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict editing for specific cells in Google Sheets. This can be an incredibly useful skill when you need to share a document but want to maintain control over the critical data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to keep certain cells safe from unwanted edits by others, ensuring the integrity of your data. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll first need to select the cells that you want to restrict. This could be a single cell, a range of cells, or even non-adjacent cells. Simply click and drag your mouse over the desired cells, or hold down the Ctrl key if you're selecting non-adjacent ones. Once your cells are selected, make sure you double-check them to avoid restricting the wrong cells. With your cells selected, move your cursor up to the toolbar and click on Data. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From there, look for Protect Sheets and Ranges and click on it. This is the key tool you'll use to set restrictions for your cells. Once you select Protect Sheets and Ranges, you'll notice a new panel opens on the right side of your screen. Here is where you can really get specific with your restrictions. First, you have the option to enter a description for the protection you're putting in place. This step, while optional, can really help keep things organized, especially if you're managing large sheets or collaborating with a team. A descriptive title, such as Budget Cells Protection, can make it clear at a glance what this protection is for. Now, click on Set Permissions. This is where you'll choose exactly who can edit the selected range. In the Permissions section, you'll find a drop-down menu. Clicking on this menu gives you several choices. You can set it so that only you can make changes, or select Custom if you want to specify certain collaborators who are permitted to edit these cells. Alternatively, there's an option to show a warning message whenever someone tries to edit the range. This is less restrictive, but serves as a friendly reminder to be cautious with those cells. After you've made your choice in the permissions settings, simply click Done. And with that, your selected range of cells is now restricted per the permissions you've set. You should see a notification confirming this, and any attempts to edit these cells will now trigger the restrictions you've put in place. That's it. You've successfully protected your critical cells in Google Sheets. This method of restricting cell edits is a powerful way to control how your data is used and ensures that only the right people have access, thereby safeguarding your work. Whether you're dealing with sensitive information or complex data that shouldn't be altered, these steps will help you keep your spreadsheets secure. Thank you for watching, and happy Google Sheets managing.